can't go that way. Alright, so here's my new drive shaft. We're gonna open this bad boy up. Try not to damage it. This is not the right tool. Very nice. Alright guys, so we're gonna go under this car right here. Oh yeah, it's bright. I'm gonna set you guys down. Always wear gloves. Protection is important. Yeah, so this is my drive shaft. Replacing this. Here's why. Here's the drive shaft. The whole thing is moving. Then the previous owner replaced this center support bearing, and that's clearly all messed up. Front U-joint right here. Can't tell if that one's bad, but no. But so that thumping noise is this, and also it's stripped, so it only had one bolt in here. So glad I made it home. We're gonna pop this off. This is a flex disc. Center support, and then yeah, we will figure it out as we go. Ow! Bash the out of my wrist. Oh god, is this leaking too? What isn't leaking on this? Huh? How the are you supposed to do this? These are like, oh my god, I think I just went deaf. Oh, that like landed right near my ear, and I can't hear out of it. Ow! Get an E30, they said. Oh yeah. Alright everyone, this should be the moment of truth. Feel it getting heavy. Knees weak, arms are heavy. Mom spaghetti. Oh god, I'm scared. Why isn't it coming out? What the
You naughty, naughty. You teasing me, you naughty, naughty.
Oh, I think it's coming.
Which way should I come under?
Back. Oh, here it comes. Just.
Okay, wait.
Oh, just kidding.
Oh, you good?
Yeah, I think I got it.
You gotta pull it straight out of the diff, yeah.
Woo! Okay. Now, so the previous owner stripped out this bolt. This holds in the center support bearing, which is right here. It's all messed up. So I bought this kit. It's called a thread repair. It's called a Heli-Coils or something. I don't know. Oh, it is not happy. It is not happy, people. Just re-thread it. Okay, so it's unscrewing. Okay, so I put some threads in there. Oh, is it? Oh, heck yeah, I think it's working. Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't totally mess this up. There's new threads in there. So basically this little coil is now in there, and hopefully it'll be the same thread pitch of what I bought, because that was the whole point here.
Spring?
Yeah, so it's a little spring. It's called a Heli-Coil. Oh yes, money. So now we're going to drill this hole and try not to get all messed up like I did on the last one. Okay, so hopefully I threaded it all the way. I don't know. We'll see. kind of get lost of space and time down here.
It felt like you were going in pretty deep.
That's what she said.
I usually go about an inch or so deep. Oh yeah, she's all threaded. Okay guys, so we're replacing the flex disc here. Got the old one here for reference. Instructions, because I don't know what I'm doing. So basically the arrow goes to the mounting flange, so it goes right there. And they were very specific about you want the head on this side and all the nuts to be on the side by the transmission. I'm going to attach all these together and then we will put it up there. The entire drive shaft is being changed. So here's the old one and here's the new one. And this one's good because there's these things called U-joints right here. First of all, the center support bearing is literally blown into pieces.
Let me see.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, it was blown to pieces. That's why if we insert the clip of me driving it. Like, what the f is that? Oh my god, what is that? You hear that like thumping noise? This was probably like hitting everything. So U-joints are bad here. You know, solid, not going anywhere. And then if these U-joints right here, they have to be like punched out and you have to have a shop do it. And then these ones, the replacements they have a snap ring, so they're serviceable. So makes it a lot easier.
What's going on here? Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I got that part up. So I just need you to like hold it, make sure it doesn't hit my head. Cause that would hurt. I can't lose any more brain cells, please.
Do you need me to hold it in the center?
Why it not go in?
Doesn't it?
Oh, that's the hole now. Very confused right now. Huh.
Yes! 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 No! No! No!
If this doesn't line up, then we have a big problem. Take it apart and then just screw it back in, maybe. Ah, see, that's the problem there.
Huh?
It's the wrong. Wait. No, you idiot!
What?
I literally was having it go
The wrong way.
Yeah, like I had it was. I
Yeah,
can't.
you had that upside down.
Yeah, big brain moment. I was trying to put it in upside down, so it was hanging way down here, and I was like, "Why isn't it going in?" And then as soon as it flipped around, it fits. So.
Crazy how that works.
Yeah, crazy, man. I'm gonna get some of these bolts in so it doesn't fall on my head. These are the ones that we did ourselves. Let's just hope it works, because that's as far as it wants to go right now.